Hello. All right, let's get started. We're still doing our math talk, our doubles. So doubles is whenever we're adding the same number to itself. All right, so you guys, today you're just going to follow along. So 3 plus 3 equals, and then you'll move the sandwiches, and actually 3 plus 3 equals 6. So when I move the sandwich, it has a thumbs up for me, okay? You can also use these little sandwiches right here if you want to use them kind of like counters and count them to help you. Completely up to you. 8 plus 8 equals 6 plus 6 equals 10 plus 10 equals 2 plus 2, 4 plus 4, 1 plus 1, 5 plus 5, 7 plus 7, 9 plus 9. All right, still working on reading our character emotions. Characters experience emotions just like we do. We're not happy all the time, and our characters are the same way. Their feelings change. All right, so reading comprehension. You are going to go ahead and I'm going to read this with you, but you're going to read and then you're going to answer the questions that go with it. So, Janiyah missed her dad. He was serving in the army and he was deployed to another country. She got to talk to him most nights on FaceTime, but it was not the same thing as squeezing him, whispering secrets, and kissing him goodnight. The day that Janiyah's dad came home, Janiyah woke up at 4 a.m., ran down the stairs, and impatiently waited to drive to the airport. The second she saw her daddy, Janiyah burst into tears and then ran to him. Her dad was home at last. So how do you know that Janiyah loves her dad? You're going to click right here in this box and you'll be able to write in this box about how you know that Janiyah loves her dad. How did Janiyah show she was excited? All right, and then you don't have to do this part, but I want you to go back through and I want you just to practice reading and looking for the word thing. So circle the word thing after reading it 3 times. Grammar, you are still working on pronouns. All right, this is going to be fun if you have dice at home, okay? So if you have a dice at home, you can go ahead and roll that. And as you roll it, if it comes to a 1, it's going to be for he, okay? If it comes to a 2, it's going to be for she. A 3, they. 4, she. 5, he. And 6, they. Okay, so you're going to go through and you're going to write down the pronouns over here in this column as you roll and count and cover and write. Okay, you're just going to do that. Okay, so over here it says Robert can dance. Okay, so if you roll a 1, you would write he instead of Robert, right? So he would go right here, and then I would write 1 because that's the one I answered. Okay? And if I rolled a 2, she is the pronoun that I would use instead of Sally. And I would type in the box and I'd type she. Okay? I did 2 of them for you and I will leave them like that. I hope that gives you an idea what to do. If you don't have dice, okay, maybe you just pick a random number. Maybe do it with your parents and say, pick a number for me. Okay? All right, your foundations video, like I told you yesterday, you're just going to press play and watch it. This is review for you. Social studies, we've been talking about Martin Luther King Jr., okay, because we celebrated his day on Monday. This over here is just something fun for you to do. It is a hidden picture, okay? So normally you color these, but you can actually move these. So I'll show you. So 24 is brown. I'm going to take my 24 and I'm going to put it over the brown. And you can move it actually so that it fits the whole square. Okay? And then 95 is red. I'm going to move that right there. You're just going to follow along. Okay? And move those. I think these are pretty fun. I thought you guys would like them. Okay? So you're going to fill this up. And after it's completely filled up and you have all of those markers filled up, and you will fill this up until you have a picture, okay? So that'll be super fun. Alright guys, that is it for today. I hope you have fun with it. Please let me know if you have any questions.